Hari Om. Welcome to ANIRUDDHA'S Creative Learners. I am Dr. Nishikant Vibhute and I will explain you how to use Microsoft Designer. Design and edit photos with AI. So it's very useful tool. When you Google search Microsoft Designer, this page will open up. This is the opening page. You will have to sign up first. This is the place where you have to sign up using your Microsoft ID. Then after signing up, you can go through all the images which are available over here and you will come to know that. Let's open this. So when you take your cursor or tap on this image, you will see some text. So if you look at the text, you will come to know that there are different details of the image. They are written over here. A large mass of dark red pink smoke, background in watercolor style. So here they have explained the style. So it is a watercolor. So if you look at this, a dad plays guitar in a sunlit living room. Which style it is? Pixel art style. Colorful. Magnolia tree blooming on a spring day. So you can see here magnolia tree blooming, a dad playing guitar. So these are the instructions which are called as prompts. So you will have to type prompt and then you will have to click on generate. So immediately as soon as you click on generate, so it will create the AI image. So let me try this. So I want an image of boy who is sitting in a restaurant in a pixel art style. So let's type a sweet teenager boy sitting in a very cozy restaurant with his parents and praying just before having the food served. Background has muted pastel colors. We will make it in a pixel art style. Pixel art style. We want one more thing. A portrait, a blank portrait in background because I want to add something there. A teenager boy wearing a locket. Pixel art style. So let's click on generate. Now as soon as you click generate, this section will open. my creations, and this particular, as if some process is happening, magic is happening, similar things will be shown over here. And here we can see whatever images we have created earlier and the text which we have written. So we can see in this, in background, parents are there. He is praying, but not in this style. Here he is not praying. Here he is praying, but in a different style. So actually we want it in a namaskar style. So this is the issue. Whenever you want some other style, then you will have to again make it. Let's select on this. So once we make this, there are credit points. So usually in a 1 month you get 15 credit points. As soon as you make one image, 1 credit point is utilized. So here you can see. So this way we can use the Microsoft Designer, which is a very useful tool. Gradually when you learn through these different concepts, here minimal vector style illustration, so you will come to know which illustration looks in which manner, which instructions they have used. You can even change their instructions, like click on this and you can type on this and you can write your own personalized details and then click on generate. So as soon as you click on generate, your image will be generated. I hope this video has helped you in understanding making images using Microsoft Designer. Thank you so much. Hari Om Sri Ram Ambadnya Nath Samvit.